Welcome to the another topic of digital logic design. We'll be covering the topic ones and twos complement today. In the binary number system, we have base as 2. The binary number system has twos complement and ones complement. For any n-bit binary number, its ones complement is found by inverting all of the digits, that is 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. And for the twos complement, for any n-bit binary number, it is found by adding 1 to its ones complement. The table shows ones complement of binary digits, so 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Ones complement of a number is found by changing all ones to zeros and all zeros to ones. So in short, flipping all of the bits or inverting all of the bits, as said, 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Positive numbers remain unchanged, whereas negative numbers are represented by taking the ones complement of the positive counterparts. So let's solve an example for the ones complement. The given number is 10101. So we need to take the ones complement. So invert all the bits. So 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. So you can see the answer is 01010. Another example, you need to represent minus 34 in ones complement form. So write down the number in the binary form and then invert all the bits. Twos complement of a binary number is obtained by adding 1 to the least significant bit, that is LSB of ones complement of the number. So the twos complement can be written as or is equals to ones complement plus 1. The twos complement of a binary number is obtained by finding ones complement, that is flipping all the bits, inverting it, and then adding 1 to the result. The MSB represents the sign as a 0 indicates a positive number and 1 indicates a negative number. The illustration below shows the twos complement of the given number. So the given number is 10101. The ones complement, inverting all the bits, so it becomes 01010. Now add 1 to the ones complement, then you get the twos complement of the number, that is 01011. So you can follow the following steps to find the twos complement. Step 1, write the number of the corresponding. For example, minus 34's complement we need to find. So write down the corresponding number of the 34. Then second step, find the ones complement of plus 34. Third step, add 1 to the ones complement of this number, that is plus 34. And the resultant will be the twos complement of minus 34. So you can see in the example. Hence, ones and twos complement are covered in this video. Thank you for watching.